Good morning. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Yeah. You see a new device over there? You see a new device over there? What is that? Say hi. Say hi. Hey guys, it's your girl Tiff, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys my everyday look. Nothing special, super simple. It just makes me feel alive, like my old self, and not like a new mom that wakes up at like 4 or 5 in the morning every day and tries to live. No, it's not that bad. Actually, I'm not lying, but this is what I do every single day. I lied, not every day, just when I want to feel alive. If you guys are interested in doing this simple everyday look for mom, or if you just don't really care to do your makeup but you want to look like you woke up ready, then keep watching. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in with some setting spray real quick. I gotta do this really fast because he has to eat soon, and yeah. Life of a mom, right? So I'm gonna go in with my NARS foundation first. Gonna go in with my NARS concealer as well. We're just gonna let that sit. I'm gonna go in with the Make No Mistake foundation stick. I use it as contour, so we're gonna blend that out. Now we're gonna blend the concealer in. We're just gonna set our under eyes with our translucent powder real quick. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my Too Faced bronzer. I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush and just dab this away real quick. It's a little bit too much for me right now. Okay. Get your life together, Cookie. So I just got this new highlighter from ColourPop, Double Brown, and I love it. So we're gonna use that. I just put it on with my finger because it's like a cream highlight. Now I'm gonna go in with my blush. We're just gonna now we're just gonna set our entire face. For eyebrows, I kind of need to fix my eyebrows because I waxed them yesterday and now they're not sisters, they're like neighbors. We're gonna put some brow gel. This was so fucking expensive. It's the clear brow gel from, I believe, Anastasia. Just gonna use it because I bought it, but not my favorite. I'd rather use the wax. This is like, whatever. But, okay. Now I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. The little bit of eyelashes that I fucking have. For mascara, I'm going to be using two. I'm using the Full and Soft Waterproof Mascara, which is my favorite. And because I don't have eyelashes and they're strictly just straight, this mascara keeps it up all day. Literally all day. And it doesn't make my eyelashes drop when I put it on. So if your eyelashes are stubborn like mine, I suggest this mascara. And it's super, like, it's from Maybelline, so it's not no high-end mascara. No, it's not. And this one, I think I got this for like my birthday gift from Sephora or Ulta, one of them. It's called Lights Camera Ashes. Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte. just like defines my lashes. It makes my lashes be, you know, see, they're tiny, but they're mine. My husband always makes fun of my lashes, or what lashes I have left, pretty much. See, I used to listen to, like, you know, bad bitch music, salsa, whatever, sing my heart out. But this is what I listen to now. With the rays. For lips, I'm gonna do a lip liner called Half Red. So I'm gonna be using Velvet from Cherry Cosmetics. No, it's just a tinted gloss. And there you go. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. It's super fast and easy. It's my everyday look, just so I can feel alive. So yeah, it's super quick and easy. It only took me like 15 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow all my social medias at Tiffany Cherry, and I'll see you in the next video.